Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best long-blooming perennials for beginners. These resilient plants not only provide a burst of color from spring through fall, but also attract essential pollinators, making your garden a haven for wildlife. In this video, we'll delve into the unique characteristics of each flower, highlighting what makes them special and how they can enhance your outdoor space. Plus, we'll share essential care tips to ensure your garden thrives all season long. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1. Echinacea. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflower, is a striking perennial characterized by its daisy-like flowers with prominent central cones. The petals are typically pink, purple, or white, and the plants can grow between 2 to 4 feet tall, making them a standout in any garden. They bloom from midsummer to fall, providing a continuous display of color when many other plants have finished flowering. Echinacea is particularly valuable for its ability to attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthy garden ecosystem. Additionally, these hardy plants are drought-tolerant, making them an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens. Care tips. Echinacea thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sun, although it can tolerate partial shade. Regular deadheading will encourage more blooms, and it's best to water them during dry spells. Number 2. Rudbeckia. Rudbeckia, commonly known as Black-Eyed Susan, is celebrated for its vibrant yellow petals and dark brown or black centers. These cheerful flowers typically reach heights of 2 to 3 feet and create a stunning visual impact in any garden setting. Blooming from summer to fall, they provide a bright splash of color and are known for their resilience in various soil types. Black-eyed Susans are great for attracting butterflies and are also deer-resistant, making them a practical choice for many gardeners. Their long blooming period and ability to thrive in poor soil conditions make them a favorite among perennial enthusiasts. Care tips. Rudbeckia prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Deadheading spent blooms will promote additional flowering, and they are relatively drought-tolerant once established. Number 3. Salvia. Salvia, commonly referred to as sage, is a diverse genus of perennials known for their aromatic foliage and colorful flower spikes. These plants can vary in height from 1 to 4 feet depending on the variety, and produce tubular flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white. Many salvias bloom from late spring through fall, providing a long season of interest. They are particularly attractive to bees and butterflies, making them an essential addition to any pollinator garden. Their drought tolerance and ability to thrive in poor soil conditions further enhance their appeal as long-blooming perennials. Care tips. Salvia prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Regular pruning after the first bloom can encourage a second flush of flowers, and they require minimal watering once established. Number 4. Coreopsis. Coreopsis, commonly known as tickseed, is a cheerful perennial recognized for its bright yellow or orange daisy-like flowers. These plants typically grow 1 to 3 feet tall and can spread to create a lovely ground cover. Blooming from early summer to fall, Coreopsis adds a sunny disposition to any garden. Their long blooming period and ability to thrive in drought conditions make them ideal for low-maintenance landscapes. Additionally, they are excellent at attracting pollinators, ensuring your garden remains lively and vibrant throughout the growing season. Care tips. Coreopsis prefers full sun and well-drained soil. They are drought-tolerant once established, and deadheading spent flowers will encourage continued blooming. Number 5. Aster. Asters are beloved perennials that provide vibrant colors in late summer to fall with their star-shaped flowers in shades of purple, blue, pink, and white. They typically grow between 1 to 4 feet tall, depending on the variety, and create a stunning backdrop for other flowers in your garden. Blooming during late summer to fall, asters are invaluable for extending the gardening season. They are particularly attractive to bees and butterflies, making them a vital part of any pollinator-friendly garden. Their resilience and ability to thrive in various soil types further enhance their desirability. Care tips. Asters thrive in full sun to partial shade and prefer well-drained soil. They benefit from regular watering, especially during dry spells, and deadheading can prolong their blooming period. Number 6. Phlox. Garden phlox is a classic perennial known for its fragrant, colorful clusters of flowers that can range from white to pink, red, and purple. These plants typically grow between 1 to 4 feet tall and can create a stunning display in borders and beds. Blooming from summer to early fall, phlox provides a burst of color when many other plants are fading. They are excellent for attracting butterflies and hummingbirds, adding life to your garden. With their long blooming period and fragrant flowers, phlox is a favorite for both gardeners and pollinators alike. Care tips. Phlox thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers rich, well-drained soil. Regular watering and deadheading will encourage more blooms and maintain plant health. Number 7. Daylily. Daylilies, or Hemerocallis, are unique perennials known for their stunning trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom in a wide variety of colors. Each individual flower lasts only a day, but the plants produce numerous buds over several weeks, creating a continuous display. Daylilies can grow between 1 to 4 feet tall and are incredibly versatile, thriving in various garden settings. They bloom from late spring to early summer, adding a burst of color when many other plants are just beginning to flower. Their adaptability and resilience make them a popular choice for gardeners seeking long-blooming, low-maintenance options. Care tips. Daylilies prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. They are drought-tolerant once established, and regular deadheading can help promote additional blooms. Number 8. Lavender. Lavender is a beloved perennial known for its fragrant purple flowers and silvery green foliage. Typically growing between 1 to 3 feet tall, lavender adds both beauty and aroma to any garden. Blooming in summer, these plants are not only visually appealing but also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Lavender is highly valued for its essential oils and culinary uses, making it a versatile addition to the garden. Its drought tolerance and ability to thrive in poor soil conditions make lavender an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens. Care tips. Lavender prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Regular pruning after blooming will help maintain plant shape and encourage new growth. Number 9. Geranium. Geraniums, often referred to as cranesbill, are charming perennials known for their delicate, cup-shaped flowers that bloom in various colors, including blue, purple, pink, and white. These plants typically grow between 1 to 2 feet tall and can spread to form a lovely ground cover. Many varieties bloom from late spring to fall, providing a long season of color. Geraniums are excellent for attracting pollinators and are very adaptable, thriving in a range of garden conditions. Their low maintenance and ability to tolerate drought make them a favorite among gardeners. Care tips. Geraniums prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. They are relatively low maintenance, requiring minimal watering once established, and deadheading will encourage more blooms. Number 10. Achillea. Achillea, commonly known as yarrow, is a hardy perennial characterized by its flat-topped clusters of small flowers, which can be found in shades of yellow, white, pink, and red. These plants typically grow between 1 to 3 feet tall and can spread to create a beautiful ground cover. Blooming from late spring to early fall, yarrow adds a burst of color to the garden and is known for its ability to attract beneficial insects. Their drought tolerance and resilience in poor soil conditions make them an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens. Care tips. Yarrow prefers full sun and well-drained soil. They are drought-tolerant once established, and deadheading spent flowers will promote additional blooms. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best long-blooming perennials for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!